The Lightning GPS GL300 tracker device stands out for its very long battery life, making it well suited for extended vehicle monitoring without constant charging. Its rugged magnetic case allows truly tool-free installation, so you can attach it securely to a car, truck, trailer, or motorcycle in just a few moments. Real-time location updates and dependable satellite reception make it a strong choice for tracking everything from a single family vehicle to a full fleet. The compact, low-profile design helps the tracker remain discreet when hidden on a vehicle, which is useful for both security and asset protection. Flexible subscription options without long contracts give users the freedom to scale tracking service up or down as their needs change. Overall, the GL300 offers a thoughtful blend of durability, ease of use, and accurate tracking that feels well suited to both personal and business use cases.